Here's how to convert AAC to OGG audio. Bunch of acronyms there, right? So we got AAC audio. We can just drag and drop it into this awesome file converter called ConvertSave. You can find it in the description or the top comment, the pinned comment down there. Also, you can just go to convertsave.com and you can take this AAC, you can select your output, OGG in this case, we're going to call it OGG from now on, and hit convert, and it converts and saves right next to wherever that original file came from, or the original files, because you can do batch conversions in here if you want. There's also these advanced options. So inside of here, there's this converting, so it shows what the conversion is, the tool that's going to be used, and the commands that are going to be sent to that tool during the conversion. You can add your own custom commands as your default ones, or go into the option builder here, and you can actually add and adjust and select all these different options like volume and trimming and the encoding settings and all that, and it builds out a command for you that you can use as your default command down here that will save as your default command, or you can just clear it and use the original default command. But basically it makes it super simple so that you can always just drag, drop, convert, save. I wanted it to be super simple because I created this app, created ConvertSave with my brother, and he brought this thing to life because he's a software developer, and I just wanted a way to convert images, audio, and video on my desktop offline. And so you don't even have to have network access to actually use ConvertSave. Once you download it, install it on Windows or Mac, and then get all the tools set up just right, which we make it really easy within the app, everything works offline. And so it goes really quick, and you can batch convert whatever you want, and you never have to visit those random websites and upload your files to who knows what server and download and have to reorganize everything ever again. Super efficient, super quick, always will be. And we're going to add even more things in here, and we're going to make it more user friendly as far as like image editors and being able to like trim video in here and see a preview of things and all that kind of stuff. So I'm really excited for the direction that it's headed. Hopefully it's something that is a valuable part of your workflow. I appreciate your guys' support. Go check it out at convertsave.com. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one.